Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today we'll talk about the JONSBO JonsPlus BO 100 small chassis. So friends, JONSBO JonsPlus BO has announced the 100 small chassis. So friends, it is a mini ITX case with a grain leather handle for easy portability from the JonsPlus brand. And friends, the exterior panel is made of aluminium and the front panel is a 4 mm thick tempered glass panel. And friend, the internal frame is made of steel and the structure that allows the entire frame to pull out the improves convenience using assembly. And friend, the cooling fan is 120 mm into 1 at the rear and the drive bay is 3.5 inch shadow bay into 1 and the 2.5 inch shadow bay into 2. And friend, there are 2 expansion slots. The graphics card is 207 mm long, 140 mm wide and 48 mm thick. The CPU cooler is 158.5 mm high and the power supply unit supports SFX and SFXL. And friend, the I/O port is USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C into 1, USB 3.0 into 2, audio terminal into 1. And friend, the corresponding form factor is Mini ITX, Mini DTX. And friend, the main body size is 239 mm in width, 233 mm in depth, 282 mm in height. And friend, it weighs about 4.5 kg only. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.